top shot, got the bun like a collar. I said I'm in the booth with pneumonia symptoms, but that might say it's corona symptoms. Reminisce about the old days, back when the Grizzlies had OJ, when I had me a ball fade, wanted all the J's and I couldn't get no play. Times fly by when you having fun, but back then I ain't feel like I had none. Back when didn't need a mask on, but I kept a ski mask on my cash grew long. Mom, but Joe to see, Joe to say, Pops drinking rose on a Sunday. I had school on Monday, contemplating dropping out, I was only in the 10th grade. I'm a boss, they was trying to make a slave. A lot of souls been lost since pre-K. Our thoughts create our reality. Confirmation, it came from the CIA. That's a topic that need to be unmuted, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Couple miles away, we ain't gotta run to it. Marathon getting shorter, we gon' break through it. I'd rather teach wellness to kings and queens. Matter of fact, gods and goddesses. I'm picking their brains, but facing their head. They calling me a cosmetologist. One Bible similar to astrology. Prophet make a prophecy. How many days the sun going down on the 21st? I say about 3. Vaccines, the mark of the beast. Can't put no chip in me. Tryna block spirituality. Tryna DNA in my genes. Protect the mind and soul, protect your body too. Don't leave the house without my crystals. VVS's can't protect my soul. Protect the mind and soul, protect your body too. Don't leave the house without my crystals. VVS's can't protect my soul. To make a long story short, you will have to boot the words, of course. Nothing less, nothing more. Playing chess with the boys till it pick the poison. Abortion or orphan, had to take me to Maury. Oh Lordy, majority of the kids I may have been mourning. Timmy Green.